As we grow older, we begin to understand something precious about the human mind. That memory is not only a record of what we have lived, but also a gentle companion that walks beside us each day, shaping how we feel, how we connect with others, and how confident we are in navigating the world. Many seniors begin to notice small changes, forgetting a name for a moment, misplacing keys, walking into a room and wondering, why, but behind these little frustrations is something deeply important. The brain is quietly asking for nourishment, rest, and support. And the beautiful truth is that the brain has an extraordinary ability to repair itself even as we age, especially during the hours when we sleep. Sleep is not simply a time of rest. It is a time when the brain washes itself clean of toxins, repairs worn-out cells, strengthens fragile neural pathways, and organizes the memories collected throughout the day. The challenge is that if the body does not receive the right nutrients before nighttime falls, this repair process becomes slower, weaker, and sometimes incomplete. But when we choose foods that support memory restoration, we give the brain the tools it needs to protect clarity, focus, and emotional balance. Tonight, as you listen to this message, you will discover 4 simple but powerful foods that can support your brain while you sleep. Each of these foods may seem humble, but together they provide antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and natural compounds that calm inflammation, fuel cognitive repair, support deep rest, and ultimately help restore memory in a gentle and natural way. And the beauty of these foods is that they are accessible, safe, and easy to enjoy in the evening, without needing any supplements or complicated routines. Let us begin with something truly remarkable. A fruit that is as small as a gem, but powerful enough to improve both sleep quality and brain restoration. Tart cherries have been used for centuries in traditional healing, but only recently have researchers discovered just how potent they are for the aging brain. When you enjoy tart cherries or their juice before sunset, you provide your body with natural melatonin, one of the most essential hormones for deep sleep. For seniors who struggle with staying asleep through the night, this natural melatonin can make a gentle but profound difference, helping the mind drift into the deeper stages of rest where true memory repair takes place. But tart cherries do more than regulate sleep. They are filled with anthocyanins, dark red antioxidants that travel directly to the brain and calm inflammation. Inflammation is one of the biggest contributors to age-related memory difficulties because it disrupts communication between brain cells. By reducing that inflammation, tart cherries help the brain clear toxic waste more efficiently through the glymphatic system, a nighttime cleaning network that is most active while you sleep. Seniors who include tart cherries in their weekly routine often report waking up with clearer thinking, fewer moments of mental fog, and a steadier mood. And what makes this fruit truly special is its simplicity. A handful of cherries, or a small glass of unsweetened tart cherry juice before the evening hours is enough to support the brain's natural rhythm. This is one of nature's quiet gifts, a reminder that sometimes the simplest foods offer the deepest healing. As the sun sets and dinner is being prepared, Another brain-boosting food sits quietly in many kitchens, often overlooked: walnuts. If you hold a walnut in your hand and examine its shape, you'll notice it looks strikingly similar to a human brain, with its wrinkles, folds, and two hemispheres. This resemblance is more than symbolic. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, powerful nutrients that the brain relies on for sharp memory, smooth communication between neurons, and long-term protection against cognitive decline. Omega-3s strengthen synapses, the tiny bridges that allow brain cells to talk to each other. As we age, these bridges can weaken, but walnuts help reinforce them, supporting clearer recall and faster processing. They also contain vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that shields the brain from oxidative stress, one of the major causes of age-related memory loss. Many seniors who begin incorporating walnuts into their evening snacks notice a gentle improvement in focus, mental energy, and emotional steadiness. Just 2 or 3 walnuts after dinner can deliver enough beneficial fats to nourish the brain throughout the night. When eaten slowly and mindfully, they become more than a snack. They become a form of self-care, a small but meaningful way to invest in your memory, your independence, and your sense of well-being. As we continue our journey through the foods that restore memory during sleep, we arrive at a vibrant, refreshing fruit that often surprises people with its power: the kiwi. This beautiful green fruit is much more than a source of sweetness. Kiwi contains extraordinarily high levels of vitamin C, higher than oranges, and this vitamin plays multiple roles in nighttime brain repair. Vitamin C helps the brain build neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that allow thoughts to flow, memories to form, and emotions to stabilize. It also supports collagen production, which strengthens the blood vessels that carry nutrients to the brain while you rest. But what makes kiwi especially unique is its direct connection to sleep quality. Studies have shown that eating kiwi before bed can improve both the duration and the depth of sleep. And when sleep deepens, memory consolidation improves. Every night, the brain sorts through your experiences, deciding which memories to keep and which to let go. Good sleep allows this process to happen smoothly. Many seniors who eat just 1 kiwi in the evening report waking up feeling more refreshed, more mentally centered, and more emotionally steady. Kiwi is gentle, natural, and easy to digest, making it an ideal fruit to enjoy after dinner or as a calming nighttime snack. With its bright color and delicate sweetness, it serves as a reminder that healing does not always require effort. Sometimes it simply requires nourishment. Now we arrive at the final and most powerful food on our list: pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds might look modest, but inside them lies one of the most complete nutritional packages for nighttime brain healing. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, and tryptophan, 3 nutrients that support sleep, memory, and neural repair. Magnesium relaxes the nervous system and helps regulate sleep patterns. Seniors often have depleted magnesium levels, which can lead to restless nights or light, unrefreshing sleep. By replenishing magnesium, pumpkin seeds help calm the mind, reduce nighttime anxiety, and prepare the brain for deep rest. Zinc, on the other hand, plays a crucial role in memory formation. Without enough zinc, the brain struggles to create new connections. Pumpkin seeds deliver this mineral in a natural and easily absorbable form, supporting learning and memory at a cellular level. And tryptophan, found abundantly in pumpkin seeds, is the building block of serotonin, which then converts into melatonin, the sleep hormone. This creates a powerful chain reaction that gently guides the body into restful sleep. Many seniors find that eating a spoonful of pumpkin seeds after dinner helps them sleep more deeply, wake up calmer, and think more clearly throughout the day. Over time, the combination of magnesium, zinc, and tryptophan helps reduce brain fog, improve recall, and strengthen emotional resilience. As we reflect on these four powerful foods, tart, cherries, walnuts, kiwi, and pumpkin seeds, we begin to see a beautiful pattern. Nature has quietly placed healing tools in our hands. Foods that nourish the brain not by forcing it to work harder, but by supporting its natural rhythms. Evening is a sacred time, a time to slow down, breathe deeply, and prepare the mind and body for rest. When seniors choose foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, healthy fats, and natural compounds, they give the brain exactly what it needs to restore itself overnight. These foods do not cure everything, but they create the right environment for healing to happen gently and consistently. Imagine the brain as a garden. During the day, it faces storms, stress, noise, distractions. But at night, the garden repairs itself. It strengthens roots, cleans up debris, and prepares for a new day. And just like any garden, it needs nourishment. These evening foods act like water, sunlight, and nutrients for the mind. Over time, with patience and consistency, they help the brain grow stronger, clearer, and more resilient. For seniors who worry about memory changes, who sometimes feel overwhelmed by forgetfulness or frustrated by mental fog, these foods offer a sense of hope. They remind us that aging does not mean helplessness. The brain remains adaptable, capable of improvement, and responsive to care at any age. Even small, simple choices can create meaningful transformation. A glass of tart cherry juice, a few walnuts, a fresh kiwi, a spoonful of pumpkin seeds. Each one becomes a quiet investment in your future clarity. And when combined with restful sleep, gentle movement, hydration, and emotional peace, they help the mind thrive. Tonight, when you prepare for sleep, let this message stay with you. Your brain has not given up on you. It is still working, still healing, still growing. And you have the ability to support it. These foods are not magic, but they are powerful. They work with your body, not against it. And they help you wake up each morning with more confidence, more clarity, and more connection to the world around you. In the peaceful hours of the night, while the rest of the world sleeps, your brain is doing something extraordinary. And with the right nourishment, it can continue to protect your memories, your wisdom, and your sense of self. So as you end your day, consider adding one or two of these foods to your routine, not as a chore, not as a strict rule, but as an act of kindness toward your own mind. Whether it is a handful of tart cherries during a quiet evening, a few walnuts as you unwind, a fresh kiwi enjoyed slowly, or pumpkin seeds sprinkled over your dinner. Each choice is a step toward a healthier, stronger, more resilient brain. And as the days pass, you may begin to notice subtle changes, clearer mornings, more stable focus, better recall, and even a deeper sense of calm. These foods gently support the brain's natural healing, and when combined with sleep, they create a powerful partnership. Your mind deserves care, nourishment, and rest, and by choosing these natural foods, you honor the years of wisdom you carry and the many memories you have yet to create. Aging is not the end of vitality. It is the beginning of a deeper, richer relationship with your health. And your brain, with the right support, can continue to thrive long into the future. For more videos, subscribe my channel